To automatically save new document to Drive D in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap System and then select Storage. Tap Advanced Storage Settings. Click or tap Advanced Storage Settings and then select where new content is saved. And then a new document will be saved to. Click or tap drop down menu and then select Drive D. Tap apply to apply. Now new documents will be saved to Drive D. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.